Good morning, everyone. I'm actually a guest speaker here, and I wanted to thank for the opportunity. And I wanted to basically kind of set the stage. Obviously, I just give the outline of the session today. I do this a lot this is probably the 50th time I'm probably doing in the last 3 years. A lot of enterprises hire us to do a customized strategy session on, okay, which BI tool to use, when to use what. So there is a lot of question about the proliferation of self-service in terms of BI and analytics. So you have tools like Power BI and Tableau, but then customers are heavily using SAP, and then SAP also has BI and analytics tools. So one of the things I wanted to do today is introduce our company, and just because I hear most of you have used SAP is from what I heard, we will give just a set expectation on self-service BI, how to evaluate a tool. Because one of the things is I want to educate you all on, okay, when do you know a tool is good? Because a lot of times everybody has excellent demos. Part of the objective is, okay, what is the evaluation criteria on? Sometimes you can evaluate on basic needs, sometimes you can looking for some advanced features. So we will give you that criteria. So you can actually ask those questions if you are selecting the BI platform. And then finally, conclusion based on what we think. It's again, this is a personal opinion from as an industry expert. And again, it may change based on your environment. And then we'll have some time for Q&A. So my name is Gopal Krishnamurthy. I started Visual BI in 2010, and we focus principally on BI and analytics. We, unlike other firms, not just we do consulting, we also have several innovative products around the analytics and visualization. I will be giving a brief overview, and we also do training to enable your firm in BI and analytics. We have close to 300 full-time employees. So we are fairly a large organization, and there is a reason why 250 plus customers use Visual BI for a variety of reasons. So our portfolio of customers, some of you may see your own logo there. Maybe some department is using us in some capacity, and you may all come from the finance and the AR realm. And just wanted to tell you, we are popular because of some of our products. Some of our customers use our custom visualization, because a lot of times you look at a tool like Power BI and then say, oh, it doesn't have a Gantt chart. I need an advanced capability on my waterfall chart because I want to see the breakdown of the expenses. So the capability that the tools like SAP or Power BI does not provide, we provide either in form of VBX or XVis. So you can we act as a plugin to fulfill those features and functionality. If you take Power BI, which is the most dominant BI platform in the market today per Gartner, Power BI does not have a solution for budgeting, forecasting, and simulations, what-if analysis. So we have a tool called ValQ. So in case you want to check it out, go check it out at valq.com. It's used for budgeting, forecasting. It's a very self-service planning operation. Then there is another problem. Finance uses Power BI, sales and marketing uses Tableau, and then your another department like supply chain and procurement uses SAP. Guess what? I have information spread across multiple platforms, but you don't have one place to go and consume. So we have a fourth product called VBI View, which helps you consume and search all your BI content from a single portal.